Today we're going to be testing air filters on a 2018 GT350. We have the factory Ford OEM Motorcraft filter, a green filter, as well as our new Steeda ProFlow air filter. Naturally, we got to throw these things in the dyno and see exactly how much power each of these filters make. Let's check it out. Breaking down the numbers, here we have 3 pulls. We did the stock pull, the Steeda air filter, as well as the green air filter. It's very interesting to see exactly the differences. Honestly, not that much between the 3, but just enough to get that couple extra horsepower. If you're looking for a bang for the buck to add power to your GT350 or Mustang, but not necessarily tune the car or anything like that, this is a super easy way to get just a couple extra horsepower. In terms of a baseline pull, that would be the blue line. We're looking at 436 horsepower, peak at 7,320 RPMs. And in terms of torque, 362 foot-pounds at 4,800 RPM. Then we threw the Steeda air filter on there, which is the red pull, 439 horsepower and 362 pound-feet of torque. So we didn't see any gains in the torque, but obviously a freer flowing air filter is going to help you get more power at the top end of your power band. So that's where you see the additional 3 horsepower coming from our Steeda ProFlow air filter. Then we threw the green filter in there, which is also a very popular aftermarket option for cars out there. We also offer a green filter on our website for a gamut of Ford vehicles. That made 438 horsepower and 361 pound-feet of torque, but I'm not going to discredit that because that's kind of within the noise considering the variances in between each pull. We did try to keep temperatures as level as possible across the board. We were keeping an eye on cylinder head temperature, inlet air temperature, as well as oil temps of the motor, trying to keep everything as fair and even as possible. All these pulls were done in 4th gear. I know the 1-to-1 gear in these GT350s is 5th gear, but we went ahead and did the pulls in 4th, honestly, to keep the wheel speeds down because we are nearing the speed limiter of our dyno if we were to do it in 5th gear with that 8250 RPM rev limiter. All in all, either filter is a great option, whether you go with the Steeda ProFlow for 3 extra horsepower or 2 extra horsepower in the green filter. Now you have the numbers you can decide on your GT350 Mach 1 Bullitt. You'll be able to find the right filter for your application. You don't have to tune for it, and it's just easy horsepower. Hit us up at Steeda.com for all of those air filter options, as well as a slew of other performance parts for Mustang and other Ford vehicles. Comment below and let us know what other comparisons and tests you want to see on the dyno. We have this here in-house at our Valdosta, Georgia facility, so it's super easy for us to find a car, throw the parts on, and test them for you, post it up on the YouTube channel. So let us know. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.